water through the airbrush a couple times, and then we're going to switch to another color. It's called flesh color. Shocking. I know. Shocking.
What's shocking?
The new flesh color. It's shocking.
Why?
Because it's so
shocking.
Insane.
Is it?
Yes, quite, really.
Quite?
Yes, and it comes in this canister, which is quite unorthodox. It's new marketing.
Yeah.
And you can see right there it says flesh, but don't let that fool you. It may say flesh, but the color is actually flesh.
That's amazing.
I know, it's shocking. That's what I'm telling you.
Yeah, sure. You're such a good teacher. So when you say flesh, you mean flesh?
No.
No.
Not really.
Some other color. Ah, exactly. Good. You're going to use that in these areas?
I'm thinking about it.
Yeah.
If I can find a spot for it. We're looking for it. We're going to put it in the airbrush and then see if we got a spot for it.
Is she just really pale?
We're just going to hose it down like a spray. We're going to hose it down like a tomcat. We're going to spray like a tomcat.
So is it actually made out of flesh?
It's actually real flesh in here.
Yeah.
That's the secret to it. We won't tell which student contributed the flesh, but we'll know when we match it up to them later.
See, this is why everyone should come to the Dru Blair class, because it's just the invaluable information.
What are you talking about?
You're not Dru Blair, are you?
I don't think so.
No.
Last time I checked, no. Notice the green cap. That's symbolic.
What does that mean?
That means that the cap is green.
Fantastic.
I know.
So what are you working on next?
The face.
The flesh.
The face.
The flesh?
Yeah. The portrait. We'll be working on the portrait next, Carson.
Okay.
Yeah. So stand by and watch. We'll see what happens. Yep. I'm just waiting on my assistant right now.
Yeah, she's a bit slow. This is Ava.
I'm finished.
You which?
Can you give us a French laugh?
Come on. It's very good. Very good. No one's actually learning how to airbrush. It's just a comedy class, isn't it?
Yeah, they pay for the comedy. It's just parading as an airbrush class. Okay, so we're ready to go. Has this been watered down? That right now, okay? Because I've got this, I can take some cleaner, I can take something there, and I can wipe this off. I don't have to live with this. I can actually get rid of this so it doesn't have to ruin my day. So that's why we do the nose first and work our way out, because if we make a mistake, or when we make a mistake, it's not so catastrophic. So I try to think of things in terms of little islands of work, that if we do mess up there, we can actually just wipe that off and reset it. Okay, so that's one of the things with the eyes. If we mess up with the eyes now, we can reset that. We mess up with this, we can reset that. But once it gets complete, you get the background there, it becomes a little bit more difficult to assert corrections on it. So if I can you pass me the blue bottle over there? Oh, and a little paper and a tissue. Thank you so much. I'm sad, I need a tissue. I'm sad because I made an X right on her nose.
Whole roll.
A whole roll, what are you thinking? I got some problems, some medical problems?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so I'm just gonna put a little ammonia on this right here, and I'm just gonna wipe it off like it was never there. So we'll just go in here and just wipe that off. And this paint is an amine reduced paint, or rereadable with amine, and I can get rid of that. I won't try to sterilize the area. I'll leave a little bit of debris because I think it actually helps the image. But now I don't have the X on the nose anymore, so now I'm happy. My thoughts of suicide are fading away, and my despondency is also going away. Okay? Feeling pretty joyous. So what I really need to do is I need to put a mark down that nose. There's a shadow that goes right down the nose, and it's not a soft edge, it's not a hard edge either, so I can't really rely on tools. I'm gonna have to rely on some freehand techniques, okay? So to do that, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the airbrush out, and I'll put my finger on this nose. I'm gonna lay my finger right across it like this. I'm gonna just dust in a small amount of color right there, just enough to establish the position of it, okay? And when I'm sure about that position, I'll go ahead and commit more paint to it. But right now, I'm just gonna lay in a small amount. I don't want a real hard edge, I don't want a real soft edge. I'm just gonna put a little bit like that, just enough to say, okay, there's that transition between the dark and the light, okay? All right, so let me take this. Can you guys pass me? Can you pass me the water? Just one of those water bottles. Sorry, thank you so much. Sorry to interrupt you. Just run water through it. Ava's getting ready to come out and check everybody out.
You'd think so, but no.
Ava's going to come out and take a quick look, make sure you're okay.
Just building it up in the right layers. Without too heavy or...
Guys, don't forget to take a photo. Take a photo.
Doesn't matter.
Photo before you
Could have kept painting.
Hey?
You could have kept painting.
All right.
I did that a few times when I started.
Beautiful.
Big steps.
I'm going to put about 2 or 3 drops of flesh color into the gun. You'll just do that. Pull back. No, we're going to fix your nose.
You're fixing airbrushes. Frank, you're fixing airbrushes. Look at that. Magic. I like your little stand.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's strange working.
I got copyrights on that.
Oh, okay.
I just made it this morning. Very good.
Got the sharpener here at work. Yeah, it's working. Yep. Yeah. He's happy.
Is that looking better? So keep doing that till you get that part right. Okay.
That's my palette. So you use them all.
The Blair palette, 3 colors. Okay. Can make any flesh tone.
Nice.
I've got to look at the.
Yep, already yesterday.
As I
Yes,
thought to myself, I
please.
should write that down.
No,
Well, you have the flesh with the green bottle.
And I thought to
The
myself,
green top.
we've got it written down, so
Yeah.
before the end of the course.
Don't forget the special green lid. Writing notes. Good to see, Stacey.
Taking some notes.
Yeah.
Okay, one of the benefits of this paper and paint combination is that you can go in here with a dial and remove some paint, creating some small little tiny details in there like this. Creates a little texture inside the eye, which works out pretty good for us.
You're not using a lot of pressure, are you?
Not much, I'm just barely touching it. You can just drag it right over it like that, and or you can make little dots. I think little dots are going to be better in this case.
And then you lay your colours over that?
Yeah, we'll lay the colors on that after that. That way this will preserve the texture if we'll use a transparent color.
So I hope you enjoyed that video and you found it helpful. If you like our content, feel free to be part of our community. Hit subscribe, tap on that bell icon, and that'll notify you every time we put out new content. Until next time, go grab that airbrush and do some amazing artwork, and we will see you again very, very soon. Bye for now.